So I've been thinking about growth, and as we move into 2016, it's very important that we reflect on all that has happened. We don't have a new mission. We're not changing our mission. We're just adding to it to say that 2016 is the year of Together We Can. Same mission. We're still leading and connecting lives to Jesus and others. We're just doing it together. This year, we're focused on everything growing together. Now, we've said a lot, and it's a big vision for 2016. And I know you're like, man, we can't do that. And you are exactly right. I can't do it. The team can't do it. You can't do it by yourself. But as our mission is, our statement is for 2016, together we can. So we're presenting this to you because we believe that we're going to be able to do great things for God in 2016. We're excited about where we've been and what has happened in just a short time, but we're believing we'll have greater testimonies by our anniversary and even by this time next year. I'm thinking about growth. I see growth, but what I'm thinking regarding growth, I believe it starts with you.